In this video, we will explore the View menu hotkey sequences, as well as basic navigation using the mouse and keyboard. With the schematic as the active document, select the View menu. Here, there are several commands that quickly adjust the view of the design space. Fit Document will fit the entire document outline within the design space. Fit All Objects will zoom to fit all objects within the active document to the design space. Selecting View, then Area, will zoom to fit an area within a drawn rectangle. There are also options to zoom to selected objects. Simply zoom in or out incrementally, or enter full screen mode. Navigation with the mouse and keyboard is similar to other Windows environments. Click the right mouse button to activate the panning hand. Press and hold the Ctrl key along with the right mouse button to zoom in and out. Another easy way to pan is using the middle mouse wheel. Scroll the middle mouse wheel to move up and down within the active document. Press and hold the Ctrl key while using the middle mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Press and hold the Shift key while using the middle mouse wheel to pan left and right. On the keyboard, you can use the Page Up and Page Down keys to zoom in and out. Press and hold the Ctrl key while pressing Page Down to fit all objects. Press the Home key to recenter the document on the cursor location. Use the arrow keys to move the cursor one grid step at a time. Or use Shift plus the arrow keys to move the cursor 10 grid steps at a time. In this video, we explored the View menu hotkey sequences, as well as basic navigation using the mouse and keyboard.